This is the 4-in-1 charging cable by mFish, and this supports up to 240 watts. This is the Armored Dragon line, and it has, again, a 4-in-1 charging capability, which I will show you in just a little moment. As I take this out of its packaging, and don't let its packaging deceive you, because it does come very well protected, as you can see, as it comes in this very nice hard shell case. Now when we open it up, we see a very vibrant, very nice color. This is kind of like it feels like silicone, and it also comes with a cable tie right within the cable itself. Very easy to stretch out. It's pretty much tangle free. And here is the 4-in-1 part. So you start with a Lightning to USB-A cable. You can change it into a USB-C to Lightning cable. You can then change it to a USB-C to USB-C cable, and if you need a USB-A to Lightning cable. So it comes in several different colors. There are 7 colors that I have seen, and they are all really cool. So let's put it back in the case so you can see how easy it is. So basically, you don't even have to think about it too much. You can just do a very regular tie down. Then we use the included tie, cable tie, which is kind of the same material as the cable itself, so it's kind of like a silicone. If it wants to come off, then just use the next one. And then putting it back in the case is fairly easy, again, because it's so flexible. You can kind of just squeeze it inside, and then there you go. Good to go.